The moment a classic car enters your garage, the owner faces a profound philosophical choice: to pursue restoration or champion preservation, both seeking to maintain authenticity in very different ways. Restoration aims to rewind the clock, erasing every scar and scratch to return the vehicle to a glorious, factory-new state of perfection. Preservation, conversely, seeks to honor the passage of time, stabilizing the car while keeping its hard-earned patina and originality intact. The goal of a full restoration is to achieve Concours quality, where the vehicle often looks better than it did rolling off the assembly line decades ago. This intensive process typically involves a full disassembly, frame-off work, and the replacement or perfection of every single component, requiring immense financial investment and specialized skill. For many collectors, this extreme effort is the only way to realize a car's maximum collector value. At high-end auctions and international shows, while a restoration delivers breathtaking, faultless visual appeal, purists argue that the process inherently destroys authenticity because the car is no longer original. Every application of new paint, every reupholstered seat, and every modern seal replaces the actual, tangible history of the vehicle. By making the car perfect, the restoration removes the narrative of use, erasing the road trips, the garage work, and the true timeline of its life. The philosophy of preservation is based on the powerful tenet that a car is only original once, making the evidence of age a valued part of its history. This approach involves careful conservation, cleaning, and necessary mechanical repairs while meticulously maintaining the cosmetic imperfections like aged paint, faded interiors, and natural wear. The resulting patina, the evidence of use and time, is celebrated as the ultimate proof of authenticity and an irreplaceable historical artifact. Organizations like FIVA, the Fédération Internationale des Véhicules Anciens, actively endorse preservation, setting standards to formally recognize and certify cars that retain their originality and verifiable history. This certification process helps differentiate genuinely preserved cars from those that are simply neglected or in need of restoration. The increasing acceptance of preservation suggests a market shift, where the verifiable story of a car is beginning to rival the perceived perfection of a glossy repaint in terms of collector value. For the majority of car enthusiasts, the reality often dictates a middle ground approach, mixing conservation with necessary repair to keep the car road-ready and reliable. This hybrid approach focuses on preserving the unique exterior and interior patina, while mechanically updating only the necessary safety and drivability components, like tires, brakes, and electrical systems. The challenge here is making sure that any repairs are done with period-correct techniques and materials to maintain overall authenticity. Crucial to both philosophies is exhaustive documentation, which acts as the undeniable proof of the car's history and originality. Detailed records of ownership, maintenance logs, and photographs are essential, as this paperwork solidifies the car's provenance, whether it is fully restored or beautifully preserved. Without this verifiable history, even the most perfect restoration or untouched preservation car struggles to assert its true, deep authenticity. The choice between preservation versus restoration is ultimately a deeply personal one, reflecting the owner's relationship with the classic car and their goals within the greater car culture. One path aims for a perfect, timeless recreation of the past, while the other strives to display the undeniable truth of a life well lived and driven. Both approaches require immense dedication, but only preservation can truly promise to keep a classic car authentic to its accumulated history. That's it for this episode of the DriveContact podcast, your dose of car culture. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, and visit our website for more content. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.